We can move to next one. So HP Arcsight. This is also called as a micro focus. HP Arcsight micro focus. HP Arcsight micro focus up to 2020, it's one of the leading tool in the market, and it is giving lot of competition to IBM QRadar, Splunk, RSA, and other vendors as well. Okay. Now, so why this one is reduced that particular market capture, and why people are not purchasing the HP Arcsight? Because of the performance issues, because of the slowness and performance related issues. Even features point of view also, everyone is migrating from HVARC side to trending technologies related tools like IBM and Splunk and Elk and other tools, Sentinel wise. Okay. Now HVARC site, first of all, why the name is changed? So name is changed. Why? Because companies acquisition and merging it's happened. So previously, I'll explain that one also why the name is changed. HP and the HP said there are two different types of services it is doing. One is product based services. Can you give a couple of HP products? What are the HP products we have? HP products,
Laptops,
laptops,
desk,
printers,
printer,
servers.
desktop.
Okay, yeah, desktop. All these are HP products. So that is hardware based products. HP is providing two different types of solutions. One is hardware based solutions and software based. Printers and servers and desktops and so all the laptops, all these fall under hardware based. Now HP product and also along with CSC, Computer Science Corporation, they combined each other, they merged each other. That is the correct term, and they formed it as a DXC technology. So that is one thing. Second one is HP software related products. What a software you're purchasing, along with that one, micro focus. So basically, micro focus or HP software, these merged together, they formed as micro focus directly. So previously, HP Arcsight is a part of software only. HP Arcsight will not support any hardware-based deployments, but logarithm McAfee will. But HP Arcsight will not. HP Arcsight and Splunk is dedicated to software-based solution only. Meaning what? Piece of software file they will give to us as a SIM tool. That SIM tool we have to deploy on top of the server. That is called HP software. Basically software and Microsoft Focus are merged together, they formed as a micro focus. So that is the reason name is changed from HP Arcsight to micro focus. HP Arcsight is not a product, it's a software. Okay. And once again, HP company is providing two, or micro focus company is providing two different types of SIM tool solutions. One is HP Arcsight Express. Second one is HP Arcsight ESM. So what is the difference between these two? These two are both SIM tools only. And when we have to use what type of solution? HP Arcsight Express is for small and medium organization. Example, Swiggy, Zomato, PhonePe, next one is Google Pay or Paytm. All these companies are recently came into the market around 3 or 4 years back only. Okay. These are small and medium based companies. Those companies, they can purchase HP Arcsight Express. So otherwise you can say less than 5,000 EPS count, events per second count. Whatever companies has less than 5,000 EPS count, those companies has to purchase HP Arcsight Express. Okay, just you can compare Express with Super Deluxe. Okay, are you getting what I'm saying? So HP Arcsight ESM, it's for enterprise level, nothing but multinational companies, CMM level companies, big organizations, basically in simple words. So this for enterprise level. When you say enterprise, it's a big organizations like multinational MNCs or CMM 5 level companies or big data companies. So these companies we can call it as enterprise level, greater than 5,000 EPS count. Okay. So that is about products point of view on the SIM tool point of view. Now HP Arcsight or Micro Focus contain 3 components. First component name is log collector, is log collector only. Second one is log manager, is log manager only, LM. Third one is ESM only, enterprise security manager only. Now I'll ask question. Srikanth. Srikanth? Srikanth, are you there? Srikanth? Venkatesh?
Yes, sir.
Can you explain about HP Arcsight architecture or backend process?
Yes, definitely. So HP Arcsight contains 3 components.
Yeah.
Collector, log manager, and enterprise security manager.
Mm.
So coming to log collector, it will collect the logs from different types of log sources like firewall, proxy, IDS, IPS, WAF, and it will do aggregation, parsing, and normalization.
Yeah.
So after that, those collection of the logs, it will go to log manager. So in that, it will do processing of the logs and also indexing of the logs. And also it will do indexing, filtering, and querying.
Yeah.
So those processing of the logs, it will go to enterprise security manager. So whenever any malicious or suspicious or abnormal activity will happen, so those processing of the logs will hit the correlation engine. So finally, front end of the SIM tool or user console will generate alert notification. So as a L1, L2, L3, we have to do the instant investigation.
Perfect. Excellent. That's it. Clear now? How to answer this one now? Any doubt in this one? Backend process and architecture components. So don't confuse components or architecture. Both are same only. Couple of people they'll call components. Couple of people they'll call it as architecture. But both are same only. Whenever someone will ask architecture components, you have to explain total end to end. Whatever just now he explained. Okay. So, and coming back to only one thing you missed out, Venki, that is log integration methods you missed out when you are explaining. So log integration method is syslog, WMI, MSRPC, and collector agent. So same as it is, API token also. These methods will be supported by even HP Arcsight also. One more method. Anyone? What is that one more method? One more method. One more method. One more method also it is required. Out of 8 methods.
Cloud connector?
No, not cloud connector.
Flow collector, sir.
Exactly, flow collector. So as I said, HP Arcsight is supporting for flow collection also. Even MECAF also will support flow collector. If I missed out, you can add that one also. So flow collector method, because flow data also we are integrating, right? So it will support flow collector as well. So these are all the different types of log integration methods. So that's all about backend process now. So next backend process here. So I will change the components later. Next one, licensing. What is licensing?
GB
per day. Yeah, GB per day. This is common. It will not change. These are all common. GB per day and also yeah,
users.
total number of end users. So that is about licensing part. Next one is design or deployment. Same thing, standalone. Next one, distributed. What about third one? Whether all
All-in-one.
works will support?
No.
No, this is completely software. That's what I said. There is no hardware concept in the HP Arcsight. It's a completely software. It's one of the file. So that file we have to purchase as a SIM tool, and we have to deploy either on top of the Windows server or Linux server. So always the Linux server is complicated because we have to remember the commands. It's better to install on the Windows server. Okay. So there is no all-in-one box concept here. Implementation side. Implementation side. Only software based. There is no hardware based. Clear? Next one. Common event format name in HP Arcsight. Same thing. Common event format only. Log integration methods. Next one. So what are log integration methods it will support? It will support syslog, collector
Local.
agent. Next one.
Flow.
WMI. No, not cloud connector. MSRPC. API. Last one. Flow collector.
Local.
So next one. Severity levels and risk score or incident score. Severity levels and risk score. What is the first one? Critical, high, medium, low, and info. So same thing, 80. This will not change except IBM QRadar and Exabeam. This is common to every vendor except IBM QRadar and also Exabeam. So next one is backend database. What is backend database?
SQL.
SQL, that's right. SQL. Yeah, I think yes. Here one more concept here, and there are two additional things will be there part of HP Arcsight basically. One is connectors pointer, log collector. Log collectors are two types. One is smart connectors and second is flex connectors. So whatever log collector we were discussing about part of this one, LC, there are two different collectors or connectors. Those connectors are smart connectors and flex connectors. Collector or connector types in HP Arcsight. First one is smart. Second one is flex. Flexible. Flex means flexible. So when we use smart connectors, when you use flex connector, smart connectors, if you know the known log format, if the log format is a known one, and that format we know, in that scenario, we can use smart connector. What are different types of log formats? What are different log formats we have? What are different log formats we have? Syslog, BST,
Flow.
ESD, XML, HTML, JSON.
yeah, all those are log formats. If those types are known, then smart connectors we can use. If you know the log format, we will use log collection using smart connectors or collectors. Then what is flex connectors? Can you guess it now? Can you guess
It is
now?
unknown format.
Exactly. If it is unknown log format now, what mainly application development, product development, any development related logs. Whatever logs are generated, those logs we don't know what is the format. Now whatever raw logs are generated, those logs we have to send it to the vendor. Who is the vendor here now? Who is the vendor here? HP Arcsight is HP is a vendor. Now we have to send that particular logs to the HP vendor. Now HP vendor, he will develop the flexible connectors or flex connectors. Okay, based on our requirement, that is called flexible connectors. Name itself it is showing flexible. Okay, if you don't know the log format, logs we have to send, raw logs we have to send it to HP vendor, and vendor will create or develop flex connector to collect the logs and parsing. So that is called flex connectors. Okay. So one more topic in this one. So far what we discussed, every SIM tool has a single console. Once you are opening the tool, we can see dashboard, incidents, or alarms, and so on. But on the HP Arcsight side, there are two different types of console. First console is user console or SIM tool console. There we can do investigation. In that console, what we can do, we can see the dashboard tab, incidents or alerts tab. So next one is case management. Next one UBA, SOAR, threat hunting, admin. So that is things we can see part of our main first console. So even logs as well. Log and flow data also. Logs and flow data also, because it is integrating flow data. So your 100% of the work is involved under the instance tab, or instance or alerts tab, case management, and logs and flow data, right? Now we have one more console. Front end, this console we can't create our correlation rules or detection rules or use cases. For that one, we have backend one more console that is called ACC, Arcsight Command Center. Okay, I will give that one also here. There are two consoles. All two consoles are graphical is interface only, GUI. We can access through interface only. There are two consoles under HP Arcsight SIM. First console is user console or SIM console. Okay, here what is the information we can see? So dashboard. Next one, reports, not reports. Admin, incidents, alerts. Incidents or alerts are both are same. Case management. Next one, logs, flow data, UBA, threat hunting, and SOAR. In the second console name is called ACC, Arcsight Command Center. So what information we can see here? Admin, settings, correlation rule creation. All these are implementation level. Next one is report generation. All this part of Arcsight Command Center. Which console you will work on? First or second one? First one or second one?
First one, sir.
First one.
First one only.
User
Yeah,
console.
second one they will not give access to us. This one will be done by implementation team only. Okay, clear now? So these are the two consoles will be there. Both are graphical user interface. There is no need to remember any commands. Now, finally, I forgot to say additional licensing or features. The first one is UBA. Next one. What is next one? SOAR.
Pulse.
Threat hunting.
Web.
Next one.
Risk
GTI, Global Threat Intelligence. Next one.
Risk
Premium
manager.
support.
management.
Premium support. And it will do risk analysis also. What is risk of the respective incident? Risk manager. And additionally,
Vulnerable scanning.
yeah, vulnerability scanning. Any other? Yeah. One more thing is parsers development are there, right? Flex connectors. Flex connector is not a free of cost. Unknown log format is there. That is not a free of cost. For that one, we have to pay money. So I'll include flex connector also. Flex connectors development, because they will not do free of cost. There are a lot of work is involved here. Yeah. So these are all the overall additional licensing for the HP Arcsight. But vacancies on the HP Arcsight are very, very less nowadays as compared to IBM, Logarithm, Splunk, and Sentinel. Yeah. Currently, these four are Exabeam also. These five are trending tools in the market right now. Okay. But anyway, so you should be aware of the backend architecture also. That is about overall HP Arcsight. Okay. So that's all for today. And remaining, how many are pending now? Exabeam, Splunk, IBM QRadar, Sentinel also. Sentinel also I'll explain. These four. Sentinel, Exabeam, IBM QRadar. Next one, Splunk. These four that we can discuss tomorrow. So I hope tomorrow I will complete these theoretical part except investigations. Later we can start our practical sessions. Okay. Any queries you have? Any queries?
No.
Okay, guys, then thank you so much and have a great day.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks.